Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix user role in Dropdown cannot add in registration form in Ultimate Member plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Ultimate Member plugin. So this is our registration form, and then you see apply custom setting to this form, no, and then you see all field. So we added rows drop down. Now click on edit. So this is our drop down. Now you see rows drop down predefined field, and then you see edit choice question mark, enter one choice per line. So we added subscriber and author, and then click on update, and then again click on update. Now form updated done. Go to form page. So this is our registration form. Now refresh the page and then scroll down. You see account type. So this is our drop down. Now select, you only see subscriber. So when we write author, no result found. So we are going to fix it. Back to WordPress dashboard. So for the security reasons, the role fields are limited to custom roles only. Now go to user role in Ultimate Member and then scroll down. We have this role, only show subscriber, and then you see custom role, no. So for security reason, Ultimate Member plugin disable it. So now we are going to create new role, and then you see add new. So click on it, and then you see add new role. Scroll down, you can add title. So we added grade 7 role title for new user role, and then you see administrative permission can access WP admin. So you can enable or disable setting according to your requirement. For siding admin bar, can edit other member account, and then you see general permission, can edit their profile question mark, and then you see can this role edit his own profile, enable, can delete their account. If you want, you can enable this option for user, so it's up to you. Allow this role to delete their account and end their membership on your site, and then you see profile access, can view other membership profile, so it's up to you. And then you see avoid indexing profile, you see home page option, and then you see registration option, status auto approve. If you want, you can add required email activation, so it's up to you. You see multiple option, login option, redirect to profile, URL, home page, so you can set according to requirement. Logout option, and then you see WP capabilities, check all. You see upload file, level 10, read private product, so you can do setting according to requirement. And then click on create role. If you want, you can set role priority, so click on create role. Now role is created. On left side you see user role, so click on it, and then scroll down. You see grade 7 role we created, and then you see custom role, yes. Now go to form page and then scroll down. First delete this role drop down. Now delete it. So our drop down is deleted. Again click on add field, so click on it, and then you see predefined field roles drop down. Now select. So we added role drop down again, and then you see edit, so click on it, and then you see title roles drop down, label, so you can add title text according to requirement. You see account type, and then you see icon placeholder. Now you see edit choices, auto edit, subscriber grade 7, and then you see can user edit this field, disable, is this field required, enable, and then you see multiple option, so you can do setting according to requirement. So our custom role added auto in our edit choice section, and then click on update, and then scroll up, click on update button. Now form updated done. Go to form page again and refresh the page. So this is our registration form, and then scroll down. You see account type drop down. You see two options, subscriber grade 7. So we are going to fill this form first. So we added some information, and then you see account type drop down, select grade 7. So we created this role, and then click on register. Now you see user registration done. So currently we don't set any page in plugin setting. We already have WooCommerce, so we are going to open my account page to check. So this is my account page for WooCommerce. Now you see all detail. So in Ultimate Member plugin we don't set any page. Now back to dashboard. So this is our role grade 7, and then you see action to taken after login profile. So we don't set any page yet. on left side you see all user. So click on it. So we are going to check it. So we are in user role and then scroll down. So this is a new user. Now you see Hassan Ali name and then you see role grade 7. Also here you see grade 7. So you can create custom role and then add role in user registration form in Ultimate Member plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.